Hello students, good morning. Hope you are well, keeping fine, praying to God for everything to get well soon and also thanking God for being healthy and fine. Now, today we have to continue our chapter that we were doing. The chapter was 16, the protecting the environment. This is our chapter that we are doing, protecting the environment. Okay, and in this chapter we had already seen in the previous class what are the steps that can be used for protecting the environment. I had told you, like treating the waste before letting it into water, and then using planting more trees, not using polythenes and plastic articles, planting more trees, and many other things like using CNG vehicles and using oil like in the vehicles, which less pollutes the air. So many other things we had seen in the previous class as under the heading of steps to be used for taking care of the environment. So we'll take our book in the hand. Chapter is on page number 82. Okay, there are 14 points given here for reducing the pollution, and I had told you also, you find out some points by yourself by being at home what you can do. I hope you have written some points and you must have also decided to do something for protecting our environment. By being at home also you can take care by keeping waste properly, using things properly, not using plastic bags and bottles much, carrying your own carry bag when you go to market, and so many other things. Today we will continue about this chapter only, and we will learn waste and its disposal. First thing is, you should know what is waste. Waste is anything which is no longer in use, which you are not going to use. So many things at home you have which is not going to be used, and then we put it into waste bin, dustbin, which you say. So waste is anything which is no longer in use, as it is given in the book also. When your books and copies are of no use, you sell it. You sell it to the junk dealer. At home also maybe so many in kitchen items your mother must be storing that cannot be used. Some bottles, some baskets, something which can be not being used now will be sold to the junk dealer. The waste material generated by human being can be divided into two. So whatever waste we are generating, the human being is divided into two parts. One is your biodegradable, another one is your non-biodegradable waste. I told you meaning of waste, anything which you are not going to use, okay, no longer in use. Biodegradable waste is which can be easily decayed, which can be decomposed easily, जो जल्दी सड़ जाता है, okay, मिट्टी में मिल जाता है. And non-biodegradable waste is which cannot be decayed, destroyed, जो destroy ही नहीं हो पाता है, सड़ता ही नहीं है. You know what are the things like polythenes and plastic? If you throw them, they are not going to decay for many years. Polythenes and plastics and some metals also like aluminium and all, they are going to be in the environment as they are. They do not decay and destroy. वो सड़ते और गलते नहीं हैं. Okay, so we'll learn first about what are the biodegradable waste. See in the book, biodegradable waste decomposes easily, जल्दी अच्छे से decay सड़ जाते हैं, ओके, एंड दे मिक्स अप विद द सॉइल, मिट्टी में मिल जाते हैं. वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स की पील्स, ठीक, छिलके, leftover food, maybe if some rice, chapati or anything which is left, instead of throwing, what we can do, we can give to the cows and dogs, okay, we can put for the birds, crow. So instead of going and throwing into the dustbin, you keep it safe somewhere which is no, you are not going to eat, that you put for a cow, dogs, animals, they will eat. Okay, but if you, it will in a way that if it is put into the ground, it mixes up, it decays and destroys easily, वो मिट्टी में आराम से मिल जाता है. Waste paper, glass, okay, sorry, grass, flowers, leaves are all biodegradable. ये सब आराम से मिट्टी में मिल जाते हैं. पेपर हो गया, घास हो गई, फूल हो गया, all that. So are the dung of animals. You know what is dung of animals? Waste of animals, which you say as gobar hai, or any animal's waste. And faces of humans, human waste also, the stool that we pass, the toilet that we go and pass our stool, that all faces, stool, okay, and all that animals waste easily mixes in the soil, decays and destroys very fast. वो सड़ जाता है, गल जाता है, मिट्टी में मिल जाता है. Okay, so these are all your biodegradable waste. Clear? So biodegradable waste, I told you, is the waste which decays very fast. I gave you example of flowers, leaves, grass, paper, and waste paper, and you have fruits, vegetables, leftover food, okay, peels of the fruits and the vegetables. They easily mix up in the ground and decay and destroy. But there are some materials which do not mix up, decay and destroy. They are yours non-biodegradable waste. They do not decompose. वो सड़ते नहीं हैं. So non-biodegradable waste does not decompose and thus pollutes the environment. वो सड़ता नहीं है, गलता नहीं है, doesn't decay, doesn't get destroyed, and thus it pollutes the environment a lot. For example, you have plastic, ना, you have plastic glasses, paper, like polythenes, okay, glass, कांच का सामान है, plastic का सामान है, polythenes हैं, and metals, aluminium especially, okay. All these things, silver foil which you are using for wrapping the chapati, na? Now you take your lunch to the school, you pack your chapatis into silver foil, your mother packs, so that it is going to be fresh, your food is going to be fresh. So, but that silver foil doesn't get destroyed easily. वो decompose ही नहीं होता है, that doesn't get destroyed and thus affects the environment a lot. Okay, so all these are your non-biodegradable waste. I gave you example. You have in your book also plastic, polythenes, glass which is your कांच, metals like aluminium and silver, and also I told you silver foil doesn't get destroyed and decayed and does not mix up in the soil. Clear? Now these two are clear to you, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable can be easily destroyed, mixes in the air, in the soil. Non-biodegradable waste is the waste which doesn't get destroyed and decayed. Clear? Now disposal of solid waste. We have two types of waste. One is solid, another one is liquid. Clear? Solid waste, how to decompose it, or how disposal of solid waste, how you are going to dispose. Okay, so disposal of liquid waste. So you can look at so we are going to learn today only about the solid waste. हम solid waste को कैसे decompose करें, कैसे उसको हटाएं. So there are some methods. The first one is your open dumping method. In open dumping method, there are three methods: open dumping, burning, and another one is landfill. Okay, so in open dumping, what happens? Open dumped method is an old process of disposing the solid waste. पुराने ज़माने का method है जिसमें जितना भी solid waste है, that is disposed somewhere, like the garbage is carried away. You keep put in like maybe in your colonies there are bins. Okay, हम लोग की colonies में dustbins हैं, bins हैं. We put it in our bins. and then the garbage man he comes, okay, the कूड़ा उठाने वाला आता है, and that he takes in the vehicle, and then that vehicle is taken away from the city, okay, far away from the city, and they dump it on a far away place in an open area, okay, carry away far from the city or town and throw it in the open, but it is pollutes the air. Now उसमें क्या होता है, you are throwing your garbage in the bin. Colony has a bin where you are throwing the garbage. Garbage man will come, कूड़े वाला आता है, okay, sweeper comes, and he will take that garbage in a vehicle, and he will take the garbage out from your locality, from city, from town, and throw it somewhere very far from the city and town in an open area. But it is not a safe thing, because that is going to pollute the air much. Not only polluting the air, it spreads smell and becomes a breeding ground for the germs and various diseases. जहाँ पे भी शहर से बाहर कूड़ा इकट्ठा होता है, there nearby places get a lot of bad smell from that, lot of germs come into that, and also lot of diseases develop because of that disposal which is thrown out of the city. Okay, clear? So in open dumping, as I told you here, when I have written here open dumping, खुले में कूड़ा फेंकना. So as फिर भी मैं हिंदी में बता रही हूँ ताकि क्लियर हो. आपकी कॉलोनी में एक डस्टबिन है, आप उसमें कूड़ा डालते हैं, कूड़े वाला उसको ले जाके अपनी गाड़ी में डालता है और उस गाड़ी को शहर से बाहर ले जाता है, दूर और खुले में कहीं जहाँ पे सारा कूड़ा जमा है वहाँ फेंक देता है. बट दैट इज नॉट गुड, because it is going to pollute the air, and a lot of flies and germs will come and disease will be spread. Second method is burning of garbage. The garbage burning is an effective method of disposal, provided it is carried to a lonely place and burnt and destroyed. Now garbage burning, कूड़ा जलाना अच्छा है, but not in any place where houses are there. If you can't burn there, because it is going to make the air polluted, nearby people will be affected. So garbage burning is a good method, but you have to burn it properly, far away from the locality or places where people are living, okay, provided it is carried to a lonely place. दूर जला के ले जाके जलाना है जहाँ कोई नहीं रहता है, okay, and burn and destroy it. So some things which cannot be thrown, you want to burn it. Do not burn in a place where people live, because it is going to affect their of the smoke. Take it far away from the place, lonely place, and there you can burn, okay. Third is the landfill method. A landfill is the oldest form of waste treatment. Garbage is carried and dumped into the ditches dug away from the towns and cities. इस वाले method में भी the garbage is collected from the locality, from the colony, and it is put into a vehicle, and vehicle will take it out of the city, okay, like open dumping method. But that is not just thrown. There is a pit, वहाँ एक गड्ढा होता है, उसमें भरते हैं कूड़ा, okay. Pit is a gadha, okay, or ditch. So that pit or ditch is filled with this waste, and when that ditch is filled, उसको मिट्टी से cover कर देते हैं, उसको soil से cover कर देते हैं. Clear? I will speak in English also. In this method, the waste is collected from the localities, from the city and towns, and the vehicle takes that waste to a lonely place or far away from the city. Wherever there are ditches and pits, वहाँ पे एक बड़ा गड्ढा होता है which is filled with this waste, and then that when it is filled up, when the pit is filled, then over that they put the mud and make it a equal ground. Clear? These are the three methods how you can dispose the solid waste. Clear? Disposal of solid waste, open dumping, burning of garbage, and landfills. Landfills, and this is same, but in this it is put only an open area, but whereas in landfill the garbage is filled into a pit, and then pit is covered with the soil. This was for today, children. We have learnt about the disposal of solid waste. Tomorrow we will learn about disposal of liquid waste and some reduce, recycle, some methods how we can take more care of not making waste more produced and taking care of our environment. Till then, you study nicely, read the chapter, study, write the question answers. For any doubt, I am there. You can call me on Saturday and ask me. I'll help you. Okay, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.